morning. A very good morning all of you. So today I'll continue my trigonometry. In my last class I have explained you 8.1 exercise completely. Good morning. And in that I have given you some problems also to do by yourself, and so I'll be moving to the next topic. Now we will have T ratios of specific angles. Till now we have done only with by using theta, A, C like that. Now this time we will be using a specific angle. So let me take 45 degrees. First one we will take 45 degrees. For this we have to take a right angle triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle. If you take right angle isosceles triangle, that means these two sides are equal and this is 90 degrees. Therefore automatically these two angles are also equal. So then each one will become 45 degrees. So this is a special case. So where you can, in the place of theta we got 45 degrees. So now rest of the things are same. If you take a sine 45, okay, you will be getting opposite side by hypotenuse is the definition. Opposite side is let me say this is 1, otherwise let us say A, and this is A, and if you find out hypotenuse, square root of A square plus A square, which is equal to 2A square, and A root 2 is the hypotenuse. Yeah. That's it. It's going on. Okay. ఎలాగా మనకిది okay. So which is equal to, let me write opposite side is A and hypotenuse is A root 2. So then A will get cancelled. It is 1 upon root 2. Okay. So this is which is equal to, let me write opposite side is A. So 1 by root 2 is the value of sin 45. Similarly, we can get cos 45 also. Cos 45 is the adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is also A and hypotenuse is A root 2 and A will get cancelled. Again it is equal to 1 upon root 2. So similarly we can find out tan 45 degrees, which is equal to opposite side by adjacent side and A upon A, which is equal to 1. Now remaining ratios are reciprocals of these two. So reciprocal of cosecant 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2, reciprocal is root 2, and secant 45 reciprocal of cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, secant 45 is root 2. So now cotangent cot 45 is the reciprocal of tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1. So now these are the trigonometric ratios of a specific angle 45 degrees. Okay, when you want 45 degrees of all the trigonometric ratios, then you have to take a right angle isosceles triangle, and using that you can find out all the values of 45 degrees. So now let us go to another angles. So now here we have taken right angle isosceles triangle. Now let us take equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So if equilateral triangle, if you just draw a perpendicular, so then what happens? You will be getting a, say, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. This is A and total A and perpendicular divides the base into two equal parts, A upon 2. So then this is 90 degrees, this is H, height. Now this angle is 60 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees, and because the vertical angle also got bisected, so 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So then this is, in this there are two right triangles. You can take one right triangle. That means let me shade the right triangle whatever we are taking. So let us say this is the right triangle we are taking. Now in this we have 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Both angles, both specific angles, you will be getting it. So here 45 degrees is there. Let me rub it. Okay. So now let us see sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is A and opposite side is h. So we don't know h, we will find out h. So h is equal to square root of hypotenuse square minus other side square. I am writing Pythagoras theorem directly. I told you in the last class we can do the right angle triangle hypotenuse. So here h is given, but this h is not hypotenuse, it is a side. So a square minus a square by 4. So it is equal to root 3a square by 4 is equal to root 3 by 2a. So this h is equal to root 3 by 2a. So now if I write in the place of this one root 3 by 2a by a will get cancelled, is equal to root 3 by 2. This is the value of sine 60. Okay, similarly you can have cos 60 also. Cos 60 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is a upon 2 by a, that means a upon 1. So what happened? A will get cancelled, half you will be getting. So similarly tan 60 degrees, which is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. A opposite side is root 3 by 2 a by adjacent side is a by 2, denominator is a by 2 will get cancelled, and root 3 will be the answer. Now reciprocal of sine is cosecant 60. Root 3 by 2 is there, it is equal to 2 by root 3. And secant 60 reciprocal of cos 60 is 1 by 2, it is equal to 2 by 1. And cot 60 is reciprocal of tan 60, it is root 3, it is 1 upon root 3. Similarly, you can go ahead with 30 degrees also. I am not going to explain you 30 degrees. So here I have done with 60 degrees. I want you to do with 30 degrees. Okay. Or you can have one more thing also, sin A is equal to cos C, like that you can have like that also. So this is trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Now in this till now I have explained you, we got the values of 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 45 degrees. So 3 degrees we have got. So you can tabulate it and you will get it. Now we will get trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So here I will just give you, I'll be writing drawing base. Base is fixed here. Okay, and then so now base is fixed. What I will do, height slowly I will reduce it. If I reduce height slowly, what happened, the 0, let me give you, this is the angle theta. Now how theta changes, you just see. So now I am just decreasing the height, decreasing the height, decreasing the height. Otherwise, uh, after some time, what happened? This height will disappear. Hypotenuse will come into adjacent side. So only one line. At this point, the angle is 0 degrees. Okay, angle is 0 degrees. So when angle is becoming 0 degrees, the height opposite side is becoming 0 and hypotenuse will come onto the adjacent side. Again you just see, now I am reducing the angle theta, so automatically opposite side is becoming small, 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 and angle is also becoming small. At one time at 0 degrees, the hypotenuse is 0 and opposite side is 0, hypotenuse is coinciding with the base. So at this position what happened, at 0 degrees, opposite side will become 0 and hypotenuse will become adjacent side. Okay, so opposite side, this is opposite side, not 0, opposite side is becoming 0, hypotenuse and adjacent side will be equal. So now what happened, let us take 0 degrees. So then opposite side by hypotenuse is the definition. Opposite side is becoming 0, 0 by h, 0 by anything is 0. Sin 0 degrees is equal to 0. Now cos 0 degrees, is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is hypotenuse only, so hypotenuse by hypotenuse equal to 1. Now tan 0 is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is 0 by adjacent side is equal to 0. Now we have got all the three ratios, and automatically you will be getting reciprocals. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant 0 degrees. So 0 reciprocal is not defined. We will write infinity. And cos 0 is secant 0 reciprocal. Secant 0 is equal to reciprocal of 1 is nothing but 1. And cot 0 is reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. So this is how you have to find out 0 degrees. Same way I will be explaining 90 degrees also. Same thing, you have to say this is the theta degrees. Now I am increasing the angle. When I increase the angle, what happened? The adjacent side is becoming 0. Adjacent side is becoming 0. At one time what happened, this hypotenuse is falling on opposite side and adjacent side is becoming 0. Again I will just give you. So now I am increasing the angle. When this point goes towards the height, what happened? At one time it will become 90 degrees, adjacent side is becoming 0. Okay, so then I will write when at 90 degrees, this hypotenuse is hypotenuse will become opposite side and adjacent side will become 0. So accordingly you can have it. Now sin 90 degrees is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite side is nothing but hypotenuse. So let us write hypotenuse. Adjacent side is nothing, hypotenuse by hypotenuse is 1. So sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos 90 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is becoming 0, already 0. 0 by height, so 0. So now tan 90 is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. You can write sine 90 by cos 90 also. So opposite side is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side is 0. So anything divided by 0 is not defined. Now reciprocals have come 1, 2, 3. So all the three reciprocals, 4 is nothing but cosecant 90 degrees. Cosecant 90 degrees is equal to reciprocal of sine 1 only. Reciprocal of cos is secant. So reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot 90 degrees is equal to reciprocal of not defined is equal to 0. This is how you have to find out. Now, till now we have got 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So these are the 5 specific angles: 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. These are the 5 specific angles you have to remember. You have to by heart or you have to remember, because based on these values we are going to have problems. So problems we will do tomorrow. I hope you have understood. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and share the channel with your friends. Okay, my homework to you is do all these problems, all these specific angles again without seeing the video, without seeing the textbook. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.